So to for tap kese can't tap kese say ode ne ho ene ni monyama wa hye me ma no hu da so frɛ me anopa awia empo anadwo da suo mu a meba me de no korɛ ene me se bɛboaboa asanteman no na me bia ka sikadwa na me da kwakyerɛ ɔpɛto se manye wei mu bia na me to asanteman tam kese
Ghana Forum program live feed, live updates here now Denver, Colorado, United States of America. Wherever you are, the what is going on. You might be so again. I am swearing. I'm not a first woman, Siano. If you was for Hano, I'm not a first woman, Ghana. If you was for Hano. Yeah, so the member actually open saw 2 4 6 say. Maybe I could be our son to it's no, and then the day that's what to say. I want for every single man. Now, say, Anna, or any baby side, I would never have to say as a father. Then I was.
I don't want to come in here. So, look, sir, a friend of the town, I know she. Remember, I feel that you said, overseen the actually, you say, you don't have your tea. It's our hanging tea. It's here. What did the front of me? Who did and say,
Osu Bwampo abebio
also Bwampo abebio you were saying a far from man the first in the chair. Anything so.
Esi ubo ene ji abo na nane me na nane fusu ji abo meja ni Osu Bwampo penyi minua ne fusu ji abo akoto minua penyi ni ya fia nane so to for tap kese kan tap kese se ode ne ho ene ni monyama wa hye me ma no hu da so frɛ me anopa awia empo anadwo da suo mu a meba me de no korɛ ene me se bɛboaboa asanteman no na me bia ka sikadwa na me da kwakyerɛ ɔpɛto se manye wei mu bia na me to asanteman tam kese
Oh, bro. What did you know? What did you know? Never play.
media say. Madam man odi ne say.
Yo your friend me what say na abwachi ya dom.
Okay, say what you come madam ma. Aha. Na ba cho wo ye ohene wo yefa.
Yo se say da me nya ohene na mo me ya. When you put talk some the back some S Asante for hina Dallas Texas ana me wo. So me na me ya ohene na da me free so a me hene na na akopra ko na kwa me Japan. Say one ya ohene our Dallas Texas me da me de me hina wie. Sabe still am de hina ni wie no. Me da so class at me na me tie ohene no ana ohema na abusuaniti.
There's a who all the way from Dallas now by Denver.
Sabe pepe Denver there. You cry, and I am so a time your baby be a bear. You must have a town much.
Yeah. And you may have a cousin.
I dear question is a Samuel, Yara Sante Hene, and now Roma. Was said, what took my baby Obiano, or Santi some who here. It's Yawa Sabia Bablo, just said, I was here to a mamma to it. It's Yaba, yes, you have to take work, yes, at the 4 equal. I don't know about the set. I was saying, pay him for near him after Sabi, you bet me up, she said. I remember an anonymous of you, you bet me I be. It's only a new player, no, and the idea come up. I know the idea. One moment, a bit more back home. And this Sabi Fiaconia, okay. Would ya? The true baby, I know if you so, no Biaba. It's when I Sabi, what do you know, Hano? Never swan. I've read one point for flower. Okay. Nana, Sabi Yabaya. Yabasa, Yabaya Niama, Trocantino, Sabi Yapasia, Santana, San Nanawada, Nana, my wabble trade. Yabasa, no sway in the Brimpong, and on a himful, Nama in the Nippy. Oh, Baba, no Mama Church, no Matrix. Yes, sir, may I say, not Dimu, the Tuna, and now, Yakosolo.
As I never beside, I tell you, for no senior, who free. Mesia about them happening.
Sabe Pepena, I know he be up. Sabe, I am Yabra, Santa Hene, I took a pass for Bomu. On the Bonkum Hene, and not assuming Hene, on an hour, what budget, a Damba, Messiah.
No, there's another Dr. Sepa, you read there, Mamma and Monday to another person.
Sabe Pepper, no pastor, and I am Mamma Mania. And I pass a man so Wokomano. Yes, will be Amna, Mamma Hersen is here, Yamamra, send his sister, now Sabia Himano. Okay, and it's a sound of Costa Pepe.
All right, okay. And that's a bar, it was very busy. So what else I am saying?
Yeah, no, Miss I am here. I didn't know that Tinadiam. You might be a super. That's somebody live in Roma. We did it. What is in an Abuati Yadom?
Yeah. No Baba. The platform is to media. Global platform here. It promotes us and our US and diaspora. The family and us and the frozen. The family you know say Bonsu. Oh, nice one. Yeah. Who in the buy? But outside, who in the buy? The previous statement buy. You are Colorado. Oh, nice one. Baba. Instead of a phone with a wife a bar. Wow. Another beauty. Okay. Let's have a cassia. Oh, nice one. Yeah. One of them about my first side. Oh, nice one. Okay. That's about our territory. Oh, nice one. All right. I was a very good. Sit down as a first side. A family coffee bath. Come again. Coffee bath. Nice name. Bath. Wow. Nice one. Now for with you and then now one. Oh, the and you said that's why they, I said, the family said, okay, we need them, but the buy said, oh, you have a talent, let me be here, come on. Now for the buy, for Dallas, Texas, Dallas, Texas, nice one, Papa. Now, I said, who am I man to say? Oh, said they are rich, you know, it's really nice. I'm going to be able to come, which is I'm a program here. Come on, okay. Yeah, because we need a minute. I like you ready. Brother, or him, no. Or any nice one. Wow, nice one. Now, program is very intense. It's Then I'm more expecting Obumu or Hano. What are your expectations?
Well, yeah, especially when we are for the free other states by this is the other states we are here to see them. And then also you can see we said I mean yeah so one
wow. You should say what we channel in Japan because really I said in Ghana for say we can share all about we say. I mean the same place in Tiana. It is so nice in Lucia. Now Sunya Hinishia earlier, I know because young Shay Mamo Amamreno, especially young Famanton Mamune Bano, Himane, so the bell makes me at us. So I was new.
Well, I think say the prayer was say a chair, it be a mamma chair. Teaching Colana Yawo has said. Like my father who said about was say anything. Yeah, I to say the mamma chair manner, I think say a very good. And then not that she's almost almost what to us. Almost yeah. Even though you're warm America, but then all one man near the mamma, I was said that you
wow. But so America for how long? Maybe some young. Wow.
For the Kakra 20-something years.
Nice. Wow. I put them out of more about one advice for you.
Well, I put you on my about for and said, I will try it. Honestly, I will try it. And so, Obia Bahaw for the mechanics are all from Russia. All from Russia, also do how about the show. Now, yes, so who will be from a bra? From once, yeah, and I will. It's a mechanic sense. Maybe I don't have said. Maybe I won't be at the quality of sending my mistake of a person down. All from Russia, anything. You make me a car now, Russia, and you go. When it's up going on, you go far.
That's about there was our channel Ghana.
I got my picture. We
are not hundred.
Picture Obibia or Ghana, my brothers, and my sisters, and me. I'm sorry for the estate. Oh, you're good.
You're fair. Maybe I say Rasta. Nice one. Okay, nice one. Now, if I saw Ghana now, who favor?
Yeah, it's free. It's still me actually.
Okay.
Yeah, me actually have a Santi ham.
Well, nice.
I'm a friend, and I have it's free. Before you get a I see. Me actually probably no break.
Wow.
You know,
nice one.
Yeah.
And tell me how Ghana. Yeah. Come on, my tell me. Talk that.
What's your free tap?
Okay, now come on, answer. How long?
I check.
Wow.
Because of this year, my mommy or Tafu, and I'm in and I'm sister back, your friend of Badua. Yeah.
No question. But one more Bible, I was all sit down here the other day. I was also sit down with Ghana. What are your advice for these people?
Oh, my brother, I was also sit down with Ghana. To me, a very good idea because you were pushing your job. It is always a idea, Mamma, no, Papa, I don't think so. I am bad. By a second of one, say, I will be a mobile. Now, it's not easy. Honestly, I project is not easy. I'm a fair 12 hours from dinner.
Because of whom about yourself.
Was say this kind of person because like I said, it's not easy. It's now this chemical yes, I am very, very, very sad.
What's stress me down?
Well, so
wow.
American said, because we love them. And till I am here, yɛyɛ adwapadeɛ wɔ fie.
Woman to every.
Ɔmo enti na yɛbrɛ. Ɔmo enti na yɛbrɛ.
That's
Nti
bad.
ɔmo fa mpaebɔ ɛnta yɛ akyi na afei nso no ɔmo like yɛde bibi gya wɔn a ɔmo hwɛ so. Yeah, because agbɔkyerɛ is not easy.
That's bad. Abusa for Ghana for ahofafo na eno mo hia wa hanu no. Abata o ma sa wo kya obi a. Aba ju de permanent toncha.
Patwa me chia Ghana fo nyinaa. Yeah.
And I was kya obi ma. Ma me say the kya. I'll give up with you. And
Thank you.
time was so good and the was surprised some of the other German. I Chief Super.
Ashanti Regional Operations Director.
How to say?
Chief Pokodia.
Wow, I think it's everything. Oh, Chief Super. Nice one. Tell me that. Tina, can I say?
Joey.
Well, Joy.
Yeah.
Nice man. How about you? Go to come in. Say that.
Hey. Minister interview.
Interview. 1 minute, baby, 1 minute. Number 2, who was never here.
Never time or never.
Okay, nice one. And it was just because I know what you say. Okay, no one can say. You know, what was I would tell you? Ghana very quickly. So Ghana went down the ball.
I'm a sure you Ghana.
Yep.
Ghana, the madam for hot also, but we be over here. We need to am in chat for my.
Yeah. That's also do me a say. Would you me a say?
Joey. Joey.
Okay, now what have how long?
Since 2010, I believe. Yes.
Wow, nice one. Oh, Archie.
Nice one.
Yeah, that's fast.
Very
well. Who's about to chat? I'm going to Alright, thank you so much. Okay, I'm for. Then Ghana for the dinner. Eddie, come on, I'm out for after Omo Power Hano. Omo Eba, I'm share. No matter Omo, I'm a prayer. Omo Amanda and so do Bobra. It's a good story. I have a family and assassination. And then Ghana for our program. Eddie, come on. You have a live feed, live update here. Our Denver, Colorado, United States of America. Wherever you are, you're going on. You might be so again. I am straight. I'm a man. I was for Mexiano. If you was for Hano, I'm a man. I was for Ghana. If you was for Hano, yeah, so I'm a man. I'm so what to say. Maybe I could be my son. It's all. And then that's what to say. I want for every show. I'm not say Anna or any baby say. I would never have to say as a funny. Then I was.